Today I'm going to be prepping some of my wigs. I'm going to be doing 1, 2, that's 4, 5, about 6 of them today, guys. See, I'm going to be cutting this one short today, guys. Yeah, I'll cut this short today. I'm going to give it a bob look. Stick and stay and watch what I go on. That is it. Happy Wednesday. This. That is it. This a go on. This a go on for the day. That is it, guys. This is what I'm doing today, guys. So, stick and stay and watch what's happening. When is this coming up? Where is it? Where is the live? Oh, it's not open. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that, guys. It is my fault. It is my fault, guys. I am so sorry. Seems like I have to start again. Hold on, guys.